We're gonna put some eBay carbon fiber wrap on the center console.
See, and I do that every time, and he's like, stutters. Today we're gonna be putting this carbon fiber, it's a very small amount of carbon fiber, in Emerson's car. He wants to do it on,
Center console.
come on.
We're gonna wrap this bunk piece, since this one is just like bubbling and it looks really bad. This and maybe this, if we have enough.
This is already wrapped. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you can.
So bunk.
It's already like bunkly wrapped, so we're gonna redo the whole thing instead of just like the inside. And then this piece of vinyl or whatever this is like the length of the top of this thing to the back of right there. So we don't know if it's gonna be enough. We don't know if we have enough, but we're gonna do our best. We're gonna try and cut accordingly, as Courtney says. And we're gonna try and make it work. We're gonna take the duct tape off of this little,
this thing right here?
yeah, that thing right there.
Yeah, that looks gross.
This is step one of making this interior refreshed, because we're gonna start with this. We're gonna make this carbon fiber, and then, like you said, suede.
And then the glove box is this.
And gross. Suede, and it's kind of bunk. And then we're gonna paint the carpets black so they're not like this dirty gray. Gray is nasty once it's like, especially when it's like 20 years old. So we're gonna like refresh the whole interior over a course of 240 Tuesdays. And what sucks about the fact that we're using like just this, okay, your average just like eBay kind of 3M looking, that we can't heat it to stretch it. Because when you heat this, it has like a pattern on it, so when you heat it and you stretch it, it loses its shape. So we can't heat and stretch, we just have to make it fit, essentially. We can try, but we only have this much. And that is how big the one piece is, and then we want to do the other pice too. So once this stands up, we just don't have a lot of extras to play with. So we got our craft table set up. Did you do this last time? Did you wrap it?
That? No, that was my buddy Gab. He's like, yo, we should put this in my car, or in your car. I was like, okay, so cool, you want to do it? He's like, yeah, sure. And then turned out to be like,
have you ever wrapped anything other than headlights?
Nope, just your headlights.
You should just get a crown boot for this.
Nope, everyone does that.
I actually kind of want to take my note after we got the seat in it, because the blue shift knob and the blue seat go flowy, but then the purple boot, even for a colorblind man like me, just doesn't go. We're just gonna take a quick detour while Emerson's doing whatever Emerson does. What do you guys think here? You guys haven't actually seen this yet? Because the way we shot these videos, 240 Tuesday has to come out first. We did this already, but 240 Tuesday has to come first. So you guys don't know about this yet. But what do you think about, I kind of like the blue and the blue obviously go. And then the blue on the Recaros and the blue on the shift knob also go. But this is kind of bunk. But this was like one of the first things I did to the car. And a lot of you guys are always commenting being like, yo, that Crown Royal boot is like pretty cool. I like it. It's like a staple of my car. But if you look, if I just had like the stock boot, just like raw stock boot, blue knob, blue seats, blue Subi. Kind of thinking I should just revert away from the crown boot for now. I don't know. But don't miss this. Don't miss, I don't think I said that properly. Come back later this week because you'll be seeing us put these Recaro seats in. They're filthy. We only got one in so far. I don't know if we're gonna do two. That's all part of the other video. Make sure you come back on Thursday or possibly next Thursday and catch this video because look how mint they look. Look how cool they are. Next, we just gotta get a quick release because if you guys have ever gotten in and out of a bucket seat, this is like Mission Impossible with this steering wheel jabbed me in the legs. So it'll all come in stride. I'll just dispose of all the yuckies. See, this stuff looked like actual like woven carbon fiber. Oh, the focus is just not happening. This looked like actual woven carbon. Whoa, isn't that not the word? Like a carbon fiber weave?
Weave?
This is just like your classic eBay carbon fiber wannabe, but it's gonna look nice. It's gonna, why does this camera keep not focusing today? It's gonna bring life to the Poo 40. There's a mosquito!
Let's try it.
Hot? Extra hot? How hot do you want this? Hot. Just one hot?
This fucking piece pissed me off.
Can you wrap my phone? If anybody's ever looked
at that line
for a perfectly straight cut job, Just go down and ask Emerson. He'll show up and, give you the best, straightest lines there is. Are you getting this? This is good quality stuff. Is there any other way I can make my video 10 minutes long? No, Robbie, just make a carbon fiber pop socket. Okay, let's go. Fuck the pop socket. It absolutely blows my mind that 10,000 plus. That was on the April 18th. Oh, refresh. Oh no, don't make me do this. Someone save us.
Too bad Emerson didn't have a YouTube account where he could actually subscribe to him.
You're not subscribed to me? What the hell kind of person are you? This man's not even subscribed to me. Who are you? Your face is getting blurred in every video. You're cut, that's it, you're done. 240 Tuesday, flushed. 240 Tuesday, gone. We do Subi Saturday now, that's it. That's it, Subi Saturday, that's it. He gave me free bucket seats, so. Someone else subscribe. Oh, 11,002! Was one of those Emerson?
Yes.
Thanks, brother. It's not focused on you. You broke it. So I stopped recording for a little bit because it got boring of us just... Oh, your car just shocked me. Does this thing actually do like the drift lock thing?
Yeah. So.
Nice. So that's just what you gotta do when... Skirt! And then when you want to stop... What did that happen? I'm sorry! I just pulled it out!
You broke it.
I'm sorry.
I'm just gonna leave it there.
I'm sorry. Anyways, I stopped recording because it was boring. It was just us doing it. But we've done this part. Now we want to do this part, but we don't know if we have enough wrap. So, is it come all the way over here, or is this...
Well, we're just gonna cut it.
So do you want to just wrap the carbon over this?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we'll just shove the knife in the groove and just slice all the way around it. So we're done this. We're gonna do this, and then we'll show you when it's all done. Up and down.
Well, fuck!
What? Ooh.
It's pretty noticeable.
Especially for people that pay attention to these things, like the people on the internet that are watching this right now. It actually doesn't look that bad when it's far back.
It's when you actually pay attention to it.
It's when you look up real close. So what we'll do is, if you don't like the fact that it doesn't match, just skip this part. Just be gone with you. Oh, watch it. Watch the fingies. Ooh. Yeah, So this is how this one came out. There was, like you guys saw, there was like duct tape because there was already a hole here. So it looks okay as long as you don't touch it. There's a little bit of leftovers from where the duct tape was, but whatever. We filled this hole pretty good, and then we just kind of wrapped it as best we can. And then there's like the little flippy coin change thing here. And we had enough, actually, so we're doing that too. And that's really straightforward, just lay it over. Nice. Way to go, brother. You just lay it on top and heat it. It actually looks nicer because the old one was like dark. It was like just matte and dingy, but this one shines. It just makes it makes your interior look, easy. Makes it look newer. Yeah. Everybody's gonna bitch that this isn't like the real carbon fiber or like weave look. But that's not the point. But that's not the point. We weren't going for real carbon fiber. If we were going for real carbon fiber, we would have got real carbon fiber. We're going for making the 240 look nicer. And this, 100%, it's like shiny. So when you look in, it's like glossy and new, and it looks good. It actually looks sick, dude. Hey, you're yelling, I'm trying to make a video! On the camera, you can't even tell. It's just so there. Look at the gloss. Look at that. It makes the whole car look so much cleaner. We're just heating corners and trying to poke it down to get finishing touches. Because when you click things in, they the corners pop back out. So we clip it all in and then we're pushing it back down with the heat. Finished product. It's a step in the right direction of getting the inside of this poo 40, less poo 40 and more 240. Today is the first day that we have worked on something in the shop, and it actually went as planned. It took a little longer. It was the first thing we did that went as planned. Usually shit hits the fan. We only get one seat in instead of 5. We break shit. We fail. Emerson's tired. He doesn't even want to be here. So we're gonna end today's video on a high note because we actually did something good today. And I thought my sunglasses were here. Did you see that? I was gonna take them off so I didn't yeet them when I got all excited. And we hit 11,000 subscribers. So thanks to Emerson, who is 11,001 because he wasn't subscribed to me already because he's a little idiot. 11,003. There you go. It's actually crazy that we hit 11,000 today because on Wednesday we hit 10,000. Today is Monday. So in under the week we hit another 11,000, which is nuts because usually it's a slow. Why?
Said another 11,000.
Whatever, they understand. Usually it's a slow incline, but today it was like yeet, straight up. So it's good, it's all going well. We'll go now so that you can go to bed. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Stay committed.